Hello, my name is Patrick France. I'm a senior instructor here at VectorVest. Today, I wanted to take a few moments to talk about one of the most unique, but also time-saving indicators available to you. Here at VectorVest, our mission is to provide the best stock market guidance available anywhere at any price. When researching a stock that you're interested in, you can spend hours upon hours going through a graph and different financial statements, but the truth is you don't have to spend all that time. The VectorVest VST indicator can take all of that data that you spend hours on and summarizes it into actual usable information to turn hours into seconds. The VST vector is our master indicator for ranking every stock in the VectorVest database. The vector part of the name indicates how we combine the indicators using the vector formula from physics by finding the square root of the sum of the squares. Therefore, it's taking into account the company's long-term potential, the risk, and also the trend of the stock to give you the most precise outlook on a stock at that time. We then slightly overweight relative timing and slightly underweight relative value to give favor to stocks that are uptrending. This allows you to get a true understanding from both a fundamental and a technical perspective. This is something unique that cannot be found anywhere else. Using VST allows an individual investor to make an informed decision on any stock out there in seconds rather than hours. And then I also wanted to take a look at our top VST stock currently, CLFD. And as you can see, we have a nice steady price from bottom left to upper right. And we can also see the relative timing here at the bottom as well, where you can see relative timing has been getting extremely high, therefore showing that favorability to stocks that are uptrending. So once again, the VectorVest VST indicator can provide you actual usable information rather than just scads of data, and allows you to follow the VectorVest mantra, which is to buy safe, undervalued stocks that are rising in price in a rising market. Hey everyone, thank you for watching. And if you could just take a moment to comment with any feedback you may have about the video you just watched, you can leave your comments in the section below. We really appreciate it and it helps us out. Thank you again for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you in the next video.